now for this week's feature from Mr. Jeffrey the Man Dziekan.
Yep.
And it's called, fittingly, Power from the Sun.
Yeah. Well, my parents did that to me. They used to call me son a lot.
But you had no power.
Yeah.
Spelled differently.
A little bit different. And here we go. So many prototypes of solar-powered cars are currently in development, and some are even produced. According to estimates, the solar market for this is $689 billion by the year 2027. Automobile companies are already working on ways to capitalize on this interim technology, such as solar roof panels, charging batteries for the internal systems. The one we have here is a Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX, and it's an iconic German automaker debuted the Vision EQXX in January at the Consumer Electronics Show, having teased this vehicle in previous times, recent months, and so on.
Teased it. Na boo boo.
The electric concept sedan ranges 620 miles. Mercedes already has a luxury EV on the verge of entering the market. It's a 441-mile range EQS, which I think you and Mike both drove.
Yep.
With the EQXX, it promises to go further. So that's that, and it's a good-looking little car. I like it. The next one we have is a Hyundai Ioniq 5. Hyundai joins the solar power party with a car geared towards sustainability, futuristic mobility. It's the new Ioniq 5. The car will be available with 2 battery sizes and 2 drivetrains. Combined with the all-wheel drive option, the Ioniq 5 can reach speeds of up to 115 miles per hour. Hold me back. The two-wheel drive,
looks like somebody used a can opener down the side of it there.
The two-wheel drive option enables the longest range of driving, reaches about 300 miles with the largest battery option. Hyundai says the vehicle's solar power options can help extend the range of, Mike, listen to this, 1,240 miles per year, which is about 3 miles a day if you're driving in the sun.
Lots of help.
This next one, I like it. I like this next one, and this one is we have Buzz Evangelist, who is a friend of the show.
Uh-huh.
This one is called the Lightyear 1. Buzz Lightyear, of course. This is a Dutch startup. Lightyear recently unveiled a prototype for what they say is the first car capable of taking as long distances while being powered only by the sun. The company claims that the car has a range of about 450 miles. According to Lightyear, the car accelerates from 0 to 60 in 10 seconds. Ooh, calendar would be better.
Like a 1980s model car.
Aside from solar power recharging, the car can also be recharged at charging stations and regular outlets, Mike. The company claims to be the first model consumes 3 times less energy than any other EV on the market today, which is very cool. If you can save, you can save. This next one is the Sono Motors Scion. Scion is a hybrid electric vehicle made by a German startup company called Sono. It charges itself by using solar energy. There are 248 solar cells integrated into the body, meant to be completely self-sufficient in driving short distances. The car can go up to 155 miles on a single charge, adds about 21 miles per day via the solar panels. This thing can go for about $28,500 in case you're interested to get that solar powered vehicle. This next one is my favorite. It reminds me of your daughter, Katie Armstrong. She's going to launch this into Mars. You watch.
Yeah.
This is called a Wolfgang Thunder Truck. The Thunder Truck is an electric.
What a great name.
Electric off-roader concept with dashing futuristic features, including the bat wing-shaped solar panels. The 800 horsepower Mike Thunder Truck EV boasts a 180 kilowatt per hour battery, 400-mile range, 800 foot-pounds of torque, and what's more, Mike, it can go from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. The truck comes in 2 models, a 4x4 and a 6x6, Conrad. The company website states, state-of-the-art TT Ranger extender easily converts the Thunder Truck into a 6-wheel drive.
Thunder Monster.
And it only costs $4 million.
Yeah,
Buy one
there you
today.
go.
Yeah, but it's a government project.
The In-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeart Radio app. Just look for In-Wheel Time Car Talk. We also